Leciał sam outer space i na země jiný svět. Chtějí mě vidět dead, chtějí mě vidět wreck, ale ne, možná another day, chtějí vidět můj grave.
Hello guys, welcome to the account, and today we are going to do about 7 videos, and it's welcome to the beginner's guide to formal elements. So today is number 1. So today we are going to do colors. So if you want to see more, make sure you just subscribe and like and possibly share, because that will really help me a lot. So for the colours, we are going to use these words right here, as you can see at the bottom of your screen. We're going to use these words for our activity today, and also I'll make sure to say the equipment that you need for all the activities that we basically are doing for this. So, colours. Colours are basically like you see all around you, like behind me, in front of you, and everything else. So there are a lot of things that colours can be. They can express feelings, they can express like everything else that you basically can do. Now they can do something like temperature, feelings, emotions, and they can be like opposite, or sometimes they can be a bit dull. So for this one, we're going to explain these 3 words, which is primary, secondary, and tertiary. Now, primary, secondary, and tertiary are all like different forms of colours. So if you are a beginner or like an expert at colours, then I don't really mind. So now that we're on to the activity for this video is we're going to do a colour wheel. So here's the one I've done earlier. So if you can't see it properly, there's a primary, the secondaries are just basically through here, and then the tertiaries are just around the outside. Make sure you describe them properly. As you can see, I didn't describe it properly because I did it in pencil around the time. So here are the equipment you have to use. You have to use a paint palette. You can put like any like thing on, like cardboard or anything. So you'll need paint. Like this is what I got from the works. Is that sorry, it says the price on it. So, and also you need some colors. You also need a pencil as well to like diagram each ones, and basic color. Use the paint to color inside the shape. If you don't have paints, you can use these. Now, I don't know where I got this, but this was a present. So, if you don't have any, my recommendation of getting some is either Hobbies Craft or Hobbies Craft for the works or the range. I would recommend getting stuff from the works. From all 3 of them, but if I had to say 2 of them I had to get stuff from, will probably be the range, because they got like a good variety of stuff. And also, if you have like a local range or anything there to get your stuff, then I would recommend getting them from there. So now what we're gonna do, and also you need some colour. You need some paper. I'm using card because obviously I haven't got much paper with me except for this. So we're gonna like go on to like an app that I use. So then it'll be like more easier to show. So let's go over there now. like I said, if you want to go back through that and just take your time doing it, I'm not like giving you a time limit, just take your time. But if you haven't got any like equipment or anything, then you can just like do it when you have the equipment. So that's going to be it for today's video. If you want, the next video is going to be about lines. So about how lines are good for like drawing shapes and drawing a lot of stuff. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'll see you there. This is Kitsune Art. Kitsune does art.